Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Ray back in the garden, and oh my, who said Coleus were boring? Look at these Colei. This is in the trial gardens at the University of Georgia, and this is late July, almost into August, and look how spectacular they look. Most of these are referred to as a color blaze series, but oh, isn't this beautiful? This is Sedona Sunset right in front of you now. I just think that anybody who has a little space in their garden, be it in sun or a little shade, will love Coleus because there is so much diversity and so much color. If they get a little tall, just whack them back. Coleus. Have fun in the garden. And look, if you want more information on these, just go to my app, Armitage's Great Garden Plants, hit the menu, and look for Coleus. You'll love it. Have a great time. All the best.